Do you want to know how to export leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator with verified emails? Well, in this video, I'll show you a fast and hassle-free way to get those leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator into a spreadsheet, email tool, or even straight into your CRM. No copy and pasting or complex software, just one Chrome extension and a few clicks. Let's dive in. To kick things off, go to wiza.co and create a free account if you haven't already. Once you're signed up, you'll be prompted to install the Wiza Chrome extension. This extension integrates directly with LinkedIn Sales Navigator, making it super easy to export your lead search results with just one click. So head over to LinkedIn Sales Navigator and set up your search. You can filter by job title, location, industry, whatever helps you target your ideal leads best. Once your search is ready, you'll notice a purple Export with Wiza button on the top right of the results page. This is your one-click solution. Just hit that button and Wiza will start gathering all of your lead data, including their LinkedIn profiles, job titles, company info, and of course, verified email addresses. Oh, and quick tip, LinkedIn has a limit of just 2,500 results per export. So if your search returns more than 2,500 results, you'll want to split that into smaller batches. If you need help with this, check out our in-depth video on how to export over 2,500 leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator. It's linked in the description below. Now, once Wiza has completed the export, go to your Wiza dashboard. Here you'll see your full list of leads, including verified emails, phone numbers, LinkedIn profile links, job titles, and so much more. Wiza will even flag emails as valid or risky, so you know which ones are safe to use. I'd recommend just downloading that valid list for the best results. You can export it as a CSV file to easily import into a spreadsheet or email outreach tool, and Wiza even integrates directly with CRMs and connects to thousands of other apps through Zapier, so you can automate the entire data transfer. Now, this solution is super easy to export your leads from Sales Navigator, but you can also just bypass Sales Navigator altogether by using Wiza's native prospecting tool. It has all of the same data you'd get from Sales Navigator, but it's much quicker and you don't need to pay for a Sales Navigator subscription. So if you want to learn more about how to use this tool for the best results, check out this video next. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more LinkedIn and sales tips. Have a magical day, and I'll see you in the next video.